Okay, so couple of things. I'm first going after some gas, but it's not like empty. But tomorrow I have my driver's test. So yeah, I think it's like half an hour riding around with the bike, right? Someone is trailing me, telling me go left, go right, or like follow the signs, those kind of things. And I don't want to run out of gas while I'm doing that. So I'm just going to get some gas and then drive around the neighborhood where I guess the test is going to be, just aimlessly wandering, hopefully finding some roads with like difficult signs that I might remember tomorrow. Yeah, that's the whole idea. Okay, so how come there's nobody there when I'm there, and then just everybody arrives? I think I know my way. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. Worst thing that can happen is me driving around some more, so there's no harm in that. I don't think it's gonna be anything interesting. Probably gonna be a lot of like 30s and zones like these red zones where it's forbidden to pass bikers. The bicycles, they're not really interesting, but I guess it's probably the most part I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So yeah, I'm definitely not going the right way. So I'll just drive around until I see like yeah, just like a sign or something saying this way to, I even forgot where I need to be, so yeah, I have the address but I didn't like memorize it. Oh well. Yeah, so I wanted to do like a video a week at least. I'm a couple of days late, but I have a good reason. And my mount, where like my camera is on my helmet, fell off. Fell on my helmet, so I was okay. So sorry, I'm totally different. I went this road going back from where I need to be, so I'm probably driving away now. I'll just turn around and then search some more. But yeah, so my mount fell off, and then like yeah, it's pretty annoying getting it back on. So I hope it stays on now. But I don't have like other options for mounting the camera, so that's why I'm late. I think I had to go left there, seeing the intersection, but we'll just take the next left. Oh man, it will find a way. And we're back here again. There has to be some place where I can turn left. Or maybe I like skipped already 6 of them or something. Who knows? Okay, so I still took a wrong turn somewhere, but this is like the general area of where I need to be. How do I keep getting lost in like such a small area? I don't know. Right. Okay, I'm lost. Where am I? Huh? Yeah, we're never lost, baby. We made it. So this is where I'll have to start. I can't go in there. So we'll probably just drive. La la la. I don't know if they're going to start with the highway, which I guess is left, or we're just gonna start simple in the street. But either way, it's fine by me. The thing I'll probably have to look out for most is my speed. I'm just like not overdoing it and going too slow everywhere, but like not going too fast on like simple little roads. That'll be fine, it'll be fine. Well, shit. I should have taken a right turn there, I think. Yep. No problem. Now we have a red light. I think I have to go. Yeah, that's the left turn I missed. Okay, just some final checks. Let's work. Start engine. You check the tires there, yeah. Okay. I think that's it. We're ready for tomorrow. See ya.